Cocoa, the primary ingredient for making chocolate, has long been considered nature's precious gift. While South America is renowned as the birthplace of the cocoa tree, Asian countries have emerged in recent decades as major producers of high-quality cocoa, meeting the growing demands of the global market. The journey from cocoa beans to chocolate bars is not merely a tale of agriculture but a reflection of innovation, perseverance, and the skills of Asian farmers. Cocoa in culinary. Cocoa is the key ingredient in chocolate production and is also widely used in various dishes and beverages. Vietnam. Cocoa is used in cocoa powder, cocoa milk, pastries, and high-end desserts. Indonesia, one of the largest cocoa producers in Asia. Indonesia incorporates cocoa into both traditional and modern baked goods. Philippines. Tablea, pure cocoa in tablet form, is the main ingredient for hot chocolate, a popular local beverage. Health benefits. Cocoa contains flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improves blood circulation, and enhances brain function. Additionally, cocoa provides magnesium and other nutrients that reduce stress and improve mood. Economic value. The cocoa industry serves as a stable source of income for millions of farmers across Asia. Indonesia, the third largest cocoa producer in the world. Indonesia exports cocoa to major markets like the US and Europe. Philippines. The Cacao Philippines 2022 program has boosted cocoa production, aiming to become Asia's leading cocoa producer. Vietnam. Cocoa growing regions such as Ben Tre and Dong Nai are rapidly developing, with Vietnamese cocoa highly valued in the international market. Growing cocoa. Cocoa trees thrive in tropical climates with consistent rainfall and nutrient-rich soil. Choosing varieties. Popular cocoa varieties in Asia include Trinitario and Forastero, prized for their yield and bean quality. Soil preparation. Soil is enriched with organic fertilizers to ensure the plants receive adequate nutrients. Planting. Cocoa is often intercropped with other plants like bananas and coconuts to optimize land use and protect the trees from intense sunlight. Nurturing cocoa trees. Cocoa trees take 3 to 5 years to mature and start bearing fruit. Irrigation. Drip irrigation is a common method that conserves water and maintains soil moisture. Pruning. Branches are pruned regularly to ensure proper light and air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Fertilization. Organic and micronutrient fertilizers are used to enhance plant health. Harvesting cocoa. Ripe cocoa pods are harvested manually to avoid damaging the tree and unripe pods. Manual harvesting. Workers use knives or shears to cut the pods, then remove the beans on site. Fermentation. Cocoa beans are fermented in wooden boxes for 5 to 7 days to develop their characteristic flavor and color. Drying. After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried or oven-dried to ensure low moisture content for long-term storage. Cleaning cocoa beans. The beans are thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities before processing. Roasting the beans. Roasting is a critical step that develops the chocolate flavor in the beans. Temperature and time are adjusted based on the producer's requirements. Grinding and pressing cocoa butter. The beans are ground into a paste and then pressed to extract cocoa butter, a vital ingredient in chocolate and cosmetics. Chocolate production. Cocoa powder and cocoa butter are mixed with sugar, milk, and other ingredients to create a wide range of chocolate products. Achievements. High quality. Asian cocoa is increasingly recognized for its rich flavor and sustainable farming practices. Farmer support. Technical and financial assistance programs have helped farmers improve productivity and enhance quality. Future potential. Exports. The global demand for organic cocoa and premium chocolates offers immense opportunities for producing countries. High-tech applications. The use of smart sensors and big data can optimize cocoa farming processes. The journey of cocoa harvesting and production in Asia is a story of creativity and relentless effort. From small farms to modern processing facilities, cocoa has transformed the lives of millions of farmers while positioning Asia as one of the world's major cocoa production hubs. The cocoa story is not just about seeds and pods. It's a symbol of faith in a future where sustainable agriculture and innovation work hand in hand to create a better world.